You can cook any type of food in your Saladmaster healthy cooking system. You can fry, you can grill, you can roast, you even can bake a cake for yourself in your Saladmaster healthy cooking system. For your peace of mind, we also having a limited lifetime warranty for our product, and also we do different cooking school for our valuable customer to see how they could cook different dishes from all around the world. Now what we're going to do, we're going to bake a cake for you and show you how even it is possible to bake the cake on the top of the hob, not even inside the oven. Are you ready? Get ready, watch and enjoy. We're making some lovely cake here with Norma. Hi Norma. Hi Jane, you okay? You're here today, so we're making some nice cake for you. It's a special cake. So the base is start with the peach. As you can see how nicely it's been sliced, and we're making nice flour in the bottom. So it's gonna be upside down cake. So you're gonna see the bottom of the cake on the top, and it looks really beautiful. So we're gonna go through the step by step by Norma, and then you will see how you can have a lovely healthy cake with yourself and family and friends. Oh, we done the base, beautiful base. We adding some eggs. So what cake are we making today?
It's a vanilla and fruit upside down cake.
Okay, wonderful. Let's do. So you're adding 3 eggs in the cake,
yes.
And then which one of? So this is the 11-inch skillet. It's the big one. We everybody. So we are here with
spoon.
Yes. So
about a tablespoon. Then we add 3 eggs.
3 eggs, and then we're gonna mix it and mix it. So, but we're gonna add some carrots as well in there.
Yes.
Nice and easy.
Yeah.
Yes. Who can believe it?
I could get one of these.
You could get one of these. Who can believe this is your first time? I didn't even say anything and you're doing it. So now what we're adding, we add some apple and pears as well on top, okay? Lovely. And what cone number you use? Cone number 2, okay? Cone number 2, and then you spread it, okay, on top. Wow, it's gonna be very delicious. Now the cake mix, we mix the cake and then we just add it. So no oil, no butter, no nothing. So just the cake mix in the middle. We're using the 11-inch skillet. That's a nice one if you want to make a cake, birthday cake, celebration cakes, everything you can do in here. So we just nicely mix. So we're doing it very nicely, very slowly, very smoothly. Okay, we come back now. The cake is beautifully done, nicely here. And Norma, are you happy with your cake?
Yes, once again we're here in the Saladmaster kitchen, and I have baked a lovely vanilla cake with a tip of coffee mixed inside, base on the top with fruits and fruits within. It's a lovely and nutritious cake, and it's good for your health. So we are once here again, everyone. Come and see and taste again. And this is Saladmaster.
Let's show you how you could fry without oil and how you could cook rice in just a few minutes in your Saladmaster healthy cooking system. It's really easy to use Saladmaster.
everybody loves Saladmaster and everybody invest in Saladmaster healthy cooking system. We have customers from all around the world. They are enjoying cooking in Saladmaster every single day. You could be one of them as well. When you place your order, we have a good news for you. You would receive your product within 24 hours. We are committed to help you to have a better and healthier diet as soon as possible. Now, let's go and listen to one of our customers who invested in Saladmaster and then they received their product and we show them how to use it. Let's hear from them what they think of Saladmaster.
Family who has just joined the Saladmaster, they have seen the presentation today and they decided to invest in the product and have the product in their house in the same day. So we are in this lovely family's house. I'm gonna get some feedback from them and then you can see what happens today. So girls, what happened today?
I was invited to my friend's house to see a demonstration on how to cook healthily, and we're really impressed with what we saw. We found out how you can fry chicken without using oil, and how to even make a nice chocolate cake. Yeah,
And as a diabetic, I was wondering a very long time how I could get some help in the way to cook and to have food nutritious, you know, to help my body because my immune system is very low. And I was very impressed with the explanation. We see the cooking from step to step. We see the ingredients. We see everything. You see, and everything was explained so lovely to us. The vegetable was wonderful. The food was wholesome. You know, we eat, imagine as a diabetic, I can eat some potato, some plantain, and some meat, some rice, and not worrying about the fat and the carbohydrate and the starch that turns sugar in our blood. You know, I don't have to worry about these things. I can eat what I want now and be happy because the equipment, the pots and pan that is here, that produce the food, we not get rid of the fat, the carbohydrates, and the sugar. And I would like everybody, because you know this joy, I can't keep it by myself. I would like everybody to invest even in one of these pots to retain the health that we should have.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Awesome day. We are so impressed. We had to have you at our home the same evening to prepare this beautiful meal.
So you made some food. Explain to us, what did you do?
We have some beef.
So we got those beautiful beef. It's been fried, grilled without any oil, and then we got some beautiful rice and peas. Have you used any oil at all?
No oil at
So
all.
you done some roast potato, but you de-starched them. Can you just lift it up and we can see the starch in the bottom? Okay, so there's the starch and everything's in the bottom, and then also you done some beautiful
curry chicken.
Yeah, you
No
got some,
oil at all.
no, some beautiful.
No, we
oil.
cooked with no oil at all.
So-
Everything was freshly washed, placed into the pans, and from there we just added, once it all
So what's in
browned,
that one?
we added all of our seasoning, garlic, ginger, onions, chilies, whatever you like to add. We added it into the pan, covered it all up. Once it's all turned down low, it takes no time to cook at all. We literally cooked a whole meal
2 meals
in less than an hour.
Fantastic.
And as I said before, the good thing about it is that people who are suffering from diabetes, heart problem, heart pressure, this is the way to go, because our problem is the sugar in the food, the fat in the food, which is killing us. And we have these lovely pots and pan that get rid of the starch, the sugar, and the fat. We cook without it. The food is so lovely.
So
everybody,
delicious,
please step
honestly.
in. It's wonderful.
Oh, Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much for your feedback. So what would be your advice for the people who hasn't seen the presentation and they're not sure whether they see the presentation or they're not?
Listen, I'm usually quite a skeptical person. I have to see it to believe it, and I'm telling you, believe it. Have a presentation at your home with your friends. You will not be disappointed. It's a brilliant presentation. You'll be so impressed by it. You can only gain. There's no loss in it at all.
Okay.
And it doesn't cost you anything to come to the presentation. All you have to do, come, sit and listen.
Yeah.
Things will be explained to you step by step. You will be asking questions, things that you don't understand. Everything will be explained to you. You will be going into the kitchen, you see the process of how the food start from start to finish until you go on your plate and you have a meal and you see results. So please, in order to see what is happening here, please get a demonstration.
And
Don't
come on.
forget to tell them that the food that is prepared is good food, free of cost.
Yeah. You don't have to spend. You don't have to spend anything.
You can eat a proper meal without paying for it.
And look for fun and laugh.
And lots of
Lots of love.
You have a very good presenter.
Okay.
Very good.
Wow, fantastic. Well, thank you so much. We want to welcome you to Saladmaster. Wish you and your family a happy, healthy life with Saladmaster. And thank you so much for having us in your house. We're going to put this video on the YouTube. You have any message for our YouTube watchers?
Leave nice comments. I'm just saying.
Yeah, leave nice comments. Okay.
No, just give it a try. Honestly, you'll really enjoy it.